Does this happen in your home too? You pack their water bottle for school and it comes back full? Or keep telling them, drink water beta, drink water, and they act like you are asking them to eat Karela? As parents, we know how important hydration is, but why don't kids get it? And how can we make it easy and fun? Today, let's talk about why most kids don't drink enough water and what you can do to gently build this healthy habit at home. So, in the section 1, let's talk about why kids don't drink water. Here are some common reasons I've seen as a parenting coach and as a mother myself. First, they don't feel thirsty enough. Children are busy playing, jumping, exploring. They don't pause to check if they are thirsty. By the time they feel it, they are already dehydrated. Second, they prefer flavored drinks. Juices, flavored milk, and packaged drinks become a habit. Their taste buds get used to sweetness and plain water feels boring. Third, no visual reminder or habit. Water is not part of their routine, it's not kept within reach, no one else is drinking either, so they don't pick it up naturally. Fourth, they just forget. Honestly, they forget. They're in the moment. Water isn't top of mind unless you remind them. So now that we understood the why, let's move to the real question, what can we do? In the section 2, let me help you with the strategies to help kids drink more water. First, make water fun and visible to them. Buy a cute bottle with their favorite cartoon or animal. Let them decorate it with stickers, write their name on it with love. Keep it on the table where they can see it. Out of sight equals out of mind. Second, create fixed water moments. Don't say drink anytime, instead build water habits. After brushing, before school, after coming back, before meals, during play, before sleep. Set small goals. Let's drink 5 sips before we go to the park. Turn it into a game, not a chore. Third, be a role model. Kids copy more than they listen. So if they see you are drinking water often and enjoying it, they will want to do it too. Say things like, I feel so fresh after drinking this. Let them associate water with feeling good. Fourth, use a sticker chart. Put a simple chart on the fridge. Every time they finish one bottle or a glass, they get a star or a sticker. You will be surprised how excited they get just to put that sticker on. Fifth, flavor the water naturally. Add a few drops of lemon or tulsi leaf or cucumber slices or even rose petals. It smells good, looks pretty and feels special too. Avoid adding sugar or juice. Let them enjoy the real taste slowly. Sixth, tell them why in their own language. Instead of saying it's good for health, try like this. Water gives you superpower to run fast. Your brain needs water to think like a superhero. Your skin glows when you drink more. Kids love fun explanations, use them. Seventh, watch for dehydration signs. If your child has dry lips, dark yellow urine, low energy or gets constipated, they might be low on water. Use these signs as a chance to gently talk to them and increase intake.
So in the section 3, let me tell you, it's a journey.
Remember, building habits with kids is like growing a plant. It takes patience. Some days they'll drink well, some days they'll not. Don't scold, don't stress, just stay steady. If your child drinks even one glass more than yesterday, that's a win for you. Keep it fun, keep it light, and over time it will become part of them. And also check your own intake. We often forget ourselves too. Let's grow together. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share it to other fellow parent in your own circle. Let's create a small movement of hydrated, healthy children together. Comment below how many glasses of water does your child usually drink in a day and what trick works best for you. Until next time, keep sipping, keep smiling and stay peacefully hydrated. See you in the next video.